Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply my DIY aloe vera and flaxseed gel. Now, if you're interested in making your own DIY gel, I'll be sure to put that link down in the description below. The first thing that I like to do is make sure that my hair is freshly washed or co-washed before applying any products to my hair so that my scalp is nice and refreshed and not itchy. So I just co-wash my hair in the shower and I let it air dry some. And of course, the first thing that I like to do before styling my hair is to make sure that my hair is saturated. I had many fails in the past attempting to put products on my hair when it was dry, and it just doesn't work well for low porosity hair. So the first thing that I like to do is I always section my hair off. Now I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle. It's just water. Before you apply any gel to your hair, make sure that you choose a leave-in. It's really important to properly hydrate your hair before styling. I don't care if you use one of the best products in the world, it's all about how you apply it to your hair. Today I'm gonna be using a leave-in by a brand called Unicurl. And one of the reasons I really like this is because it's lightweight. It's a leave-in, a detangler, a curl cream, and a moisturizer. I'm gonna start to apply the gel. Now, don't be afraid to use this. A lot of people are, they're not too sure how to apply products to your hair. But if you have thick hair and dry hair, don't be afraid to use any of this gel because it's all natural and there's no harm in putting a lot, because you want to make sure every strand of your hair is being coated properly. Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps until I finish my entire head. Okay, now that I have applied all of the gel to my hair, now we wait. Normally my hair takes a really long time to dry, but one of the things that I love about flaxseed gel is that it dries instantly. So it's not gonna take hours for my hair to dry. So once I get dressed, I'll show you guys the final results.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so this is the final results of the flaxseed and aloe vera gel. And what do you guys think? I feel like it came out really, really nice. My hair is so fluffy. So soft, not stiff. It just feels so lightweight. It feels so lightweight. And all I did was, once it was dry, I just put a little bit of oil on it and then I just picked it out because I like big hair. That's optional, but yeah, this is really easy. This is my go-to product. Sometimes I slack off because I'm lazy and I don't want to make it, but this is hands down one of the best products that I have tried on my hair. My hair loves it. It's easy, it's safe, it's effective. It has so many great benefits and I think you guys should try it. So if you like the way my hair turned out, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if you tried it and how it worked on you. And comment down below what other videos you would like to see on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching.